and welcome again to Joyful Kitchen Hacks.
Thank you. So in this video, I'll be showing you quickly how to make this unique bread omelette. We're not going to waste any time, so let's dive in. So these are the ingredients we'll need. As always, I've listed in the description box. So the first step will be to prep our veggies. So we want to chop them really finely. We don't want them too large. We just want them just right. Now that we're done chopping all our vegetables, we're just going to heat up a pan and add some oil. I'm using olive oil here. I prefer to use olive oil. And then we're going to saute the onions and the other vegetables. So that's all done, and the next thing we want to do is to let it cool while we're prepping the bread. So we want to take our slices of bread and then take a bread knife. Ideally that's what you want, because it's easier to use a serrated knife to cut the bread. So we're going to cut the bread from the sides and try to get a really nice big square out. So we're going to keep those squares because we're going to use them. So we're going to use the edges as well as the insides of the bread. So I'm just going to be cutting it. Just watch. So that's all done. And the next step will now be to combine our fried veggies, which has now cooled down, with our eggs. So I'm also going to be adding spinach, but I didn't fry it because there's no need to fry my spinach. So I'm adding my cooled fried veggies. I'm going to go in next with my spinach, and then we're just going to mix. This is the point you can add your seasoning or salt. This is the point you need to add it. Now that we're done, we're going to move on to the final step, which is to then make our bread omelette. So we want our pan heated, but ideally you want the heat to be really low because you don't want your bread to burn. So I'm going to spray avocado oil spray there. As you can see, it's quite easy to use. It's just avocado oil but in a spray bottle. Now I've popped the edge of my bread, and I'm going to put some egg in the middle, cover it with the other part of the bread. Get your egg wash. So you need to get egg wash. It's just one egg, and then you're going to brush over the top of that bread. And then what you want to do at this point is to take a lid and cover your frying pan so that it gives the egg time to cook without burning it. First time I tried this, I basically burnt it because I didn't close it and I cooked it on really high heat. So please make sure the heat is on very low to medium, and make sure that you cover the pan so that it cooks. Once it's cooked, we want to flip it over to the other side and give this side some time to just cook that egg wash on that side. So we're going to cover this again just for a couple of seconds. Now once you check on the other side and it's cooked, and that's it, it's ready to get out of that pan so you can do all the other bread that you have. Get done. Yeah, so that's it. All done. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your family, friends, and community. Thank you.